The natural phenomenon of bioluminescence is explored, revealing the fascinating mechanisms behind nature's ability to produce light without heat. The diverse applications and ecological significance of this captivating biological process are also examined, offering a deeper understanding of its prevalence in various organisms. Imagine a world where light doesn't generate heat, a silent glow illuminating the deepest oceans and darkest forests. How do fireflies flash without burning, or deep-sea creatures glow without sunlight? Prepare to unlock the secrets of bioluminescence, nature's most captivating cold light, and discover the hidden power behind Earth's living beacons. Ever wondered how organisms produce their own light? This isn't just a dazzling display, it's a profound biological superpower with incredible applications. Join us to unravel the molecular magic behind bioluminescence, revealing not only how nature creates this stunning phenomenon. Bioluminescence is the natural production of light by a living organism through a chemical reaction that converts chemical energy into light energy. This process is common in the deep sea, with examples including fireflies, fungi, many marine animals like fish, squid, and bacteria, and even some plankton. The light is typically produced by a reaction between a light-emitting molecule called a luciferin and an enzyme called luciferase, often involving oxygen and other cofactors. Organisms use this light for various purposes, such as communication, luring prey, attracting mates, and evading predators. The process involves a luciferin, a light-emitting substrate, and an enzyme, usually luciferase, that catalyzes its oxidation, releasing a photon of light. Chemical energy from the reaction is directly converted into light energy, creating a visible glow. Other molecules, such as ADP, adenosine triphosphate, and oxygen, are also involved in the reaction in many organisms. Anglerfish use a bioluminescent lure to attract prey, while other creatures may use light to illuminate their surroundings for hunting. Organisms use bioluminescence to signal to other members of their own species, such as attracting mates. Some organisms emit light to warn predators, while others use it to startle them or to produce a glowing secretion to confuse them. Some common examples are fireflies, a familiar example on land, their abdomen flashes with light. Marine life, many deep-sea fish, squid, and crustaceans use bioluminescence. Bacteria, certain bacteria, like those found in the anglerfish's lure, can glow. Algae, some types of microscopic algae can cause the ocean to glow when disturbed. Fungi, certain mushrooms also exhibit bioluminescence, glowing in dark forests. In the deep-sea light show, creatures like anglerfish, jellyfish, and squid produce their own light, bioluminescence, for survival, using it to attract food with lures, communicate and attract mates, defend themselves with bright flashes or smokescreens, and camouflage against the dark background. This cold light is a chemical reaction involving luciferin and luciferase, which evolved multiple times independently across different organisms and is a common adaptation in the deep sea where sunlight doesn't penetrate. This predator dangles a glowing lure from its forehead, filled with bioluminescent bacteria, to attract curious prey into its waiting jaws. Some jellyfish and long, jelly-like siphonophores use bioluminescent lures to draw in prey. The red-crowned jelly can create a pinwheel of light to attract the predators of an animal attacking it, acting like a burglar alarm, according to this YouTube video. Certain squid can emit a bright flash of glowing mucus to stun or temporarily blind their prey. Some use glowing tentacles for attraction. The type of dragonfish called a loosejaw uses red light from patches under its eyes like night vision goggles to illuminate prey. Because most other deep-sea fish cannot see red light, they can see their prey but their prey cannot see them. Anglerfish and some squid use light to lure smaller creatures closer to them. Bioluminescence can also be used to attract mates, making it a vital part of reproduction in the dark deep-sea environment. Animals might flash light to scare away predators or use a luminous smokescreen to escape. Some creatures may control their bioluminescence for camouflage, allowing them to blend in with the faint light available. Beyond marine life, fireflies, glowworms, including the larvae of certain beetles and fungus gnats, and various types of bioluminescent fungi demonstrate terrestrial bioluminescence, which is the production of light by living organisms. These organisms use light for diverse purposes, such as attracting mates, luring prey, deterring predators, or providing illumination for their environment. A well-known example of bioluminescent land animals, fireflies use their flashing lights primarily to attract mates. These beetles are found in various parts of the world and have diverse flashing patterns. Some beetle larvae and wingless adult females, bioluminescent fungi, found in forest ecosystems. These fungi provide an ethereal glow to the forest floor. Their light can attract insects that help with spore dispersal, playing a crucial role in their environment. Scientists study bioluminescence for medical biosensors and imaging by developing luciferase-luciferin systems to non-invasively monitor disease processes, track cells, and even trigger therapies. For forensics, reporter genes are used to detect specific molecules or biological markers. For sustainable lighting, research focuses on genetically engineering organisms to produce ambient light, such as glowing plants, creating energy-efficient and eco-friendly light sources. Bioluminescent reporter genes and engineered luciferase enzymes can be inserted into cells to detect specific disease markers or monitor gene expression. This allows for the creation of whole-cell biosensors that emit light in response to conditions like the presence of cancer cells or specific bioactive molecules. Bioluminescence imaging, BLI, uses luciferase-luciferin reactions as an internal light source to non-invasively monitor biological processes in real time within living organisms. Bioluminescent systems are being combined with optogenetics to not only sense but also control biological processes. This can involve using light generated by bioluminescence to activate therapeutic proteins or trigger light-sensitive reactions, such as those used in photodynamic therapy. A major focus is the engineering of plants that can naturally produce their own light through bioluminescent enzymes and substrates. This blue sky research aims to create self-lighting plants for decorative, public, and even domestic lighting, offering a sustainable, energy-efficient, and environmentally friendly alternative to conventional lighting. Beyond plants, researchers are exploring other applications of bioluminescent organisms and systems for light generation, such as utilizing the bioluminescence of marine dinoflagellates or other organisms to develop novel, naturally luminous materials. The ability to transfer bioluminescent genes, reporter gene systems, allows researchers to track cells, gene expression, and disease processes non-invasively in living organisms, providing a sensitive, quantitative readout of biological activity. By linking a gene for a bioluminescent protein, like luciferase, to another gene of interest, or to specific cellular processes, its activity can be visualized and monitored over time using a light detector, aiding in the study of disease progression, immune responses, and the effectiveness of therapies. Bioluminescent reporter genes can track cells after transplantation, monitor their migration, proliferation, and differentiation, especially in regenerative medicine and stem cell research. The sensitivity of bioluminescent assays makes them useful for high-throughput screens in drug discovery, allowing researchers to identify potential therapeutic agents. The future use of bioluminescent streetlights and crops is a grounded possibility based on rapid advancements in synthetic biology. Current research focuses on overcoming challenges like low light intensity and engineering stable, sustainable biological systems. Widespread adoption would require careful economic, environmental, and ethical navigation. Crops could be engineered to emit light in response to a pest infestation, acting as a real-time warning system for farmers. This would allow for targeted treatment instead of widespread pesticide application. Crops could signal their health by changing their glow. A different shade or intensity of light could alert farmers to nutrient deficiencies or water stress, enabling precise resource management. In regions with extreme daytime temperatures, bioluminescent crops would provide natural, energy-free illumination for nighttime farming, enabling safer and more productive agricultural practices. Bioluminescence is threatened by human-caused environmental factors, including light pollution, which disrupts nocturnal behaviors and ecological rhythms, habitat loss and fragmentation, reducing space and food resources for bioluminescent organisms, and climate change, leading to altered weather patterns, increased temperatures, and changes in ocean chemistry that harm these delicate systems and their interactions. Artificial lights disrupt the natural day-night cycle, which is crucial for the reproduction, feeding, and predator avoidance of many bioluminescent species. Light pollution can confuse animal navigation, disrupt mating signals, and alter predator-prey relationships. For marine bioluminescent organisms, ocean acidification and warming waters can disrupt their physiology and food webs, leading to declines in populations. Climate change causes more extreme weather events and disrupts natural cycles, impacting the delicate balance of ecosystems and species' life histories. Protecting natural ecosystems is vital not only for their practical benefits like providing food and clean water, but also for the immense scientific knowledge they offer and the awe-inspiring beauty they evoke, making them essential for our understanding of the planet and the continued wonder it inspires within us. Pristine ecosystems serve as natural laboratories where scientists can study rare species, unique evolutionary adaptations, and the complex interactions within natural communities, providing invaluable insights into the history of life on Earth. Overall, preserving ecosystems is crucial for advancing scientific knowledge, maintaining a connection to the natural world, and ensuring the continued existence of diverse life forms, contributing to a richer human experience and a sustainable future. Uncharted ecosystems often harbor previously unknown species with potential medical, agricultural, or scientific value. To conclude your message, evoke the breathtaking sight of bioluminescent life or the aurora borealis, emphasizing how these natural lights rival human creations, and urge the audience to safeguard their ecosystems to ensure these wonders persist for future generations. Imagine the vast, starry canvas of the night sky, not with starlight, but with the ethereal glow of the aurora borealis, swirling in vibrant greens and purples, a silent dance across the cosmos. Or, picture the deep ocean, where countless tiny organisms, like fireflies in the abyss, create a living constellations of pulsing blue and green light, each spark a testament to life's remarkable adaptation. We must recognize that these natural marvels are fragile and vulnerable to human impact. By actively supporting conservation efforts and preserving the habitats that sustain these unique light-producing creatures and phenomena, we ensure that the mesmerizing glow of nature continues to illuminate our planet and inspire wonder for generations to come. Protect our bioluminescent bays, safeguard the deep-sea ecosystems, and cherish the night sky, so that these extraordinary lights never fade from existence. As a powerful visual, imagine a riverbank at dusk. A lone kayaker paddles silently, their every movement stirring thousands of dinoflagellates, which ignite in a brilliant, ephemeral blue-green light. The shimmering water reflects not the sky's stars, but the living, breathing constellations beneath the surface, a breathtaking spectacle of nature's hidden genius. We must recognize that these natural light sources are more fragile than they appear. The increasing glow of our cities and towns, light pollution, interrupts the fireflies' courtship displays, making it harder for them to find mates and reproduce. The delicate ecosystems that host these luminous creatures are also under threat from habitat loss and pesticide use. We have a responsibility to protect these wonders. Every time we choose a motion-activated light over a continuously burning one, every time we shield a porch light from the sky, we are protecting a night that belongs to all creatures.